Hey there, please allow me to introduce to you the incredibly talented artist, DanielGerhartz. Born and raised in Kewaskum, Wisconsin, Daniel's journey as an artist began at a young age. Growing up in a small town surrounded by the beauty of nature, Daniel developed a deep appreciation for the harmony between humans and their surroundings. This introspective nature is reflected in his captivating artworks, which transport us to a world where serenity and tranquility reign supreme. In his masterpiece From Ridge to Ridge, Daniel captures the essence of a picturesque landscape, taking us on a breathtaking journey from one ridge to another. The vivid colors and delicate brushstrokes invite us to immerse ourselves in the beauty of nature. The enchanting April snow painting demonstrates Daniel's ability to capture the fleeting moments of life. The combination of soft pastels and gentle strokes perfectly conveys the quietness and stillness of a spring snowfall, stirring a sense of wonder within our souls. Beginning with Promise depicts a young girl gazing intently into the distance, embodying the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. This touching piece beautifully portrays the innocence and curiosity of youth, urging us to embrace the world with open arms. Asilomar Splash invites us to experience the untamed power of the ocean. The crashing waves and cascading foam evoke a sense of exhilaration and remind us of the force and beauty of the natural world. In Summer Stories, Daniel tells a story of joy and togetherness. The warm, luminous colors and the vivid expressions on the faces of the characters transport us to a world filled with laughter and cherished memories. Daniel's ability to capture the delicacy of the human form is exemplified in Velvet. The gentle brushstrokes and soft lighting create an ethereal atmosphere, inviting us to appreciate the beauty in every detail. Roses and Camille speaks volumes about the power of love. The tender embrace between the two subjects and the vibrant colors of the roses remind us of the importance of nurturing relationships and finding solace in each other's arms. Delicate glance encapsulates the power of a single moment. The intense gaze of the subject draws us in, reminding us of the complexity and depth of human emotion. It is a masterpiece that leaves a lasting impression. Finally, in Scarves, Daniel showcases his talent in capturing movement and texture. The flowing scarves and the delicate folds of the fabric transport us to a lively and vibrant scene. DanielGerhardt's life experiences and deep connection to nature have influenced his artwork profoundly. His ability to find beauty in the ordinary and to convey the intimate emotions of his subjects is truly breathtaking. So, dive into the world of DanielGerhardt's art, and let yourself be captivated by the beauty that lies within each stroke of his brush.